Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're here at the track today, gonna do some karting. We got practice this morning and then our race tonight, qualifying in our race here at Granja Viana. I'm with Danny again. He's over there. We gotta go get ready. I'm feeling a little under the weather, which fucking sucks, but yeah, I gotta make do with what I got and try and tough it out. Definitely don't want to let down Danny. Here in Brazil, it's his first time, and I gotta make sure that he has a good time as well, has some fun. But what a beautiful facility, what a beautiful day. It's supposed to rain a little bit this afternoon, but come race time should be clear. So I'm gonna go get ready, and yeah, let's get it started. So what do you think about the whole facility? Working with Christian today here. He's a great coach. Plenty of experience driving real cars and karts. A lot of people down here at Sao Paulo know of him, know about him. And I'm sure if you've ever looked up karting in Brazil, his videos are like the first to pop up. I actually recognized him at the go-kart track with the group I race with from somebody I'd seen in a YouTube video, and that's when I approached him about coaching. So yeah, very good guy, very nice. For English speakers, very English friendly. He knows the majority of his English. Actually, is very good, probably the best one that that I've ever come across here in Brazil. So yeah, very good guy though. Gotta get these braking zones down. That's most important. Turn 1 braking zone. That'll make or break your race, especially if you're fucking it up all day. Luckily for Danny, he's getting this coaching, finding out exactly where the braking zone is, rather than being just tossed in. So this is gonna pay dividends tonight for him. I really think he can get top 10.
A few moments later.
Big change in conditions from when we practiced earlier today. It's raining. Track looks wet. Ugh, but we're still gonna run it. Turn 1 looks extra slick right now. And I don't think we're gonna be going too fast, but you know, I really think that our experience driving cars is going to pay off driving in the rain. And I only say that because the last time I raced here in the rain, I qualified pole and I spun out on my first lap and fell back to dead last, but ended up catching up all the way to 7th and getting fastest lap of the night during the race as well. I really think that for what it's worth, I think we're going to be able to come out here and do really well. Danny, first time out here. Yeah, so I'm excited. We'll see what happens. Fucking crazy, dude.
Muito bem, amigos, estamos ao vivo direto do Kartódromo Internacional Granja Viana. Boa noite a todos, vamos para mais uma prova show aqui em Recife, a torcida. Do Peterson. Gabriel Zamora fez a melhor volta na prova. 1:14.840 que você acompanha aqui. Já que corrido. W09 tá aí, ó. Tá aí na briga, ó. Fábio Xavier é que aparece tendo feito a melhor volta agora. 1:14.735. Ele que vai lá embaixo. Ele que tinha largado lá na frente, rodou logo no começo. Vai na 14ª colocação da prova agora. Tá aí o Gabi. Gabriel Zamora. Que vai recebendo a torcida do Austin Bell, que você vai vendo aí. 12 minutos e 50 agora para o fim da prova. 3 provas para você aqui na Leste Racing. Já vem eles na subida. Olha como vem deslizando o Gabriel. Vai tentar por fora, hein? Vai tentar por fora, vai tentando por fora. Quase que consegue. Segue, roda! Rodou e se escondeu. Bololô ali. Aí você vai vendo o Gabi. Gabriel Zamora. Vai chegando para tentar ultrapassagem para cima do William de Almeida. Na freada. Faz a ultrapassagem agora. É o 11º colocado, quase roda de novo. E rodou de novo o Gabriel, ó. Na descida da curva 1. Marco Miranda, boa noite, Tom. Boa, Tom. Show de transmissão, valeu demais. Jason mandando aí show de 28. Eu não sei falar 28, tem que eu sou ruim. Car, please. O 28 que é o Gabriel Cabreira. Piloto do kart 28, daqui a pouquinho já mostra por aqui. Vem todos os pilotos passando, completando volta. que você acompanha comigo, 28 tá aqui, ó. Tá ele aí. O Gabriel Cabreira vai na 17ª colocação da prova. Gabriel Cabreira que rodou. Tá uma rodada de Gabriel nessa pista também que eu vou te contar, hein?
No fucking words, bro. No fucking words. Danny finished 17th. How many times you spin?
About 6 times.
It's soaking out there.
It's crazy.
I spun out 3 times. I had the fastest lap of the night. If I just raced fucking consistently, I would have won. I would have easily won. The second fastest lap was like half a second down for me. So
We talked about it too.
Oh.
Consistency, man.
Yeah, it's just, yeah. I don't even know. Pretty bummed, but finished 7th place, which is still fucking ass. Was hoping today today would be the day, but nope. So we'll see.
It was a wet track, dude. What can you do?
Yeah, it was so good. Turn 1 was ridiculous. Fucking absolutely ridiculous. The thing was, turn 1 I spun out there twice with somebody in front of me because I couldn't see the braking zone. I had to drive with my visor down because if not, I would just get shot in the face with water. So I had to drive with the visor down, which was taking water on it, and then it's tinted, so I couldn't really see shit, and I was kind of just guessing where the braking zone was, which sucked. But super easy to lock up the brakes in turn 1 in dry conditions, and in wet conditions, like it's guaranteed you're locking up. Finding the slip angle though, like towards the end of the race, I started to lay down some consistent laps, and then finding that slip angle was a lot easier because I had just like been messing around with the car so much. So yeah, other than that, I mean, it's just, I guess, more practice, more seat time in the rain. It's only my 2nd race with wet conditions, but like today was actually fucking raining. It's actively raining right now. Let me show you guys. I mean, look at the car. The rear tires are kicking up the water.